Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my BE in North Maharashtra University in Mechanical branch and today's date is 13 December 2021 and today's topic is interfaces with new features. Interfaces in Java like a class and interfaces can have method and variables but the method declared in an interface are by default abstract, only method signature or no word. Interfaces specify what a class must do not how it is blueprint of the class. And interfaces is about capabilities like a player may be interface and a class implementation. Player must be able to move. So specific is a set of method that the class has improvement. If the class implement and interfaces does not provide method bodies for the all functions specified in the interface, then the class must be declared abstract. A Java library example is comparator interfaces is class implement this interface then the can be used short a collection. To declare an interface, use interface keyword. It is used to provide total abstraction. That means all the methods in the interfaces are declared with the empty body and are public all field, public static, final default, and the class implement interface must be implement all method declaration in the interface. To implement interface in a keyword, why do we use interface? It is used to achieve total abstraction since Java does not support multiple inheritance in case of classes. But by the using of interface, it can achieve multiple inheritance. It is also used to achieve loose coupling. Interfaces are used to implement abstraction. So the question arises why the interfaces when we have abstraction classes. The reason is abstraction classes may contain not final variables, where the variables in the interfaces are final, public, and static. Prior to JDK 8, interfaces could not be defined implementation. We can now default implementation for the interfaces method. This default interface implementation has special use does not affected in intonation behind interfaces. Suppose we need to add a new function in the existing interfaces. Obviously, the old code will not be work as a class have not implemented those new functions. So, with the help of default implementation, we will give the default body for the newly added function. Then the old code will still work. Importance points about the interfaces or summary of the article. We can't create instant of interfaces, but we can make the reference of the it refers to the object its implementation class. A class can be implement more than one interfaces and interfaces can extend another interfaces or interfaces. A class implements interface must be implied all the method interface all the method are public and abstract and all fields are public static and final. It is used to achieve multiple inheritance. It is used to achieve loose coupling. New it is newly feature added in the JDK 9. From the Java 9 towards interfaces can be contain static method, private method, and private static method. Thank you.